눈물 나고 또 웃음 나고 Every time 너 그런 것 숨기지 못해 거짓말하네 Oh 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 매 순간 속에 매 감정 속에 한 장 한 장 가득 찬 쏟아지는 rain sunshine 늘 달라주다 Oh 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 love me right now.
Hey, this is Don, MyJourneySolo. We're back in Bangkok. We are getting ready to head down Sukhumvit Road. Night seems very busy. We're here at Asoke Station, headed down toward Nana. Let's see what we can find. See all them lights over there? That is the Chinese market. We'll be checking that out on a future walk. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, leave a comment. Tell me where in Bangkok you would like for me to go. See this lady here, she is make you a deal on glasses. 150 baht a pair. It's very nice, very helpful. Sofitel. Stayed there once, long time ago. Very nice place. A little overpriced, but nice. Is it worth it? For me, it was not, but that's up to personal preference. One thing you'll find in Thailand is lots of shrines. Sitting at the bar, watching people go by. At Regency, I've not stayed there. They turned the fountain off. It's too bad. It's only 7 p.m. here in Bangkok. Seems like the number of people in the last hour has really toned down. See, Sukhumvit Road is still pretty busy. I don't think it's a budget-friendly place. Could be wrong about that. Now crossing Sukhumvit 11. You know, when you've been somewhere too long, keep seeing the same people out every night, and they also start asking you, oh, do you live here? Here's the Nana BTS Station. This is the one I take back to where I'm staying. Here in a few days, I switch rooms. I move up here to this area. Hope it was a good decision. Things kind of blurred on the screen for a minute. Hopefully that's a temporary thing. We got several walks planned. I know this weekend I want to go to Chatuchak Market. Along with some other interesting places. I made a whole list of places I want to go to, get video. But every time I do that, I don't go to half of them. I don't know why I put so many places on my list. The thing about these BTS stations, in a lot of areas, they've got skywalks, so it's easy to go from one place to the other. Especially if you want to avoid the sidewalk traffic. Interesting hats and socks. So we're getting closer to Nana Plaza. That's by some of the girls walking by. We've still got a ways to go. I don't plan on going by there tonight. I have back in my room, go to the grocery store, you know, normal life stuff. People out selling tours. And illegal vapes. Like many things in Thailand, just because it's illegal, don't mean the police or anybody care. Interesting canes.
That's what I get. Symbols. Lagi ini.
You see an older guy like that walking, pretty young Thai girl. You can pretty much guess where he's been. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe it's all for low. Next video, we'll be on the other side. We'll be checking out Bangkok's Times Square, along with Chinese Market and Koreatown. Should be an interesting video. For now, I'm gone. I'll see you in the next one.